Hello there. Welcome to today's Excel tutorial. Today we will learn how to use Freeze Panes option in Microsoft Excel. First, let's take a look where this option is available in Microsoft Excel. From menu bar you have to go to the View option. Here you will find the Freeze Panes drop-down icon. Under this there are three different options for different purpose. At first we will learn about Freeze Top Row. This is the most used freeze pane among all three. So, in which situation it's useful? I have prepared a demo sheet to show you that. While the length of your data is vertically too long and when you scroll it down you no longer see the headers of your columns. So it would be better if the headers are visible all the time. By enabling Freeze Top Row option your headers will be freeze and will be visible all the time. Look, if we go down, the header is visible all the time. Cool, huh? If you want to disable the Freeze Top Row, go to the Freeze Pane option and click on Unfreeze Panes option. Secondly, we will learn about Freeze First Column option. So, in which situation it's useful? I have prepared a demo sheet to show you that. While the width of your data is horizontally too wide and when you move to the right you no longer see the first column. So it would be better if the first column is visible all the time. By enabling Freeze First Column option your first column will be visible all the time. Look, if we go to the right, the first column is visible all the time. Cool, huh? If you want to disable the Freeze First Column option, go to the Freeze Pane option and click on Unfreeze Panes option. Now we are left with another use of Freeze Panes option. This works for both columns and rows simultaneously. And before enabling this option we have to select a cell based on our requirement. For example, in this Excel sheet, this is not only vertically long but also horizontally too wide. So it would be better if the top row and the first column both are visible all the time. It's possible if we select the B2 cell and then use this Freeze Panes option. As you can see, now both the top row and the first column is visible no matter wherever you go. If you want to disable it, go to the Freeze Pane option and click on Unfreeze Panes option. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates at first.